It's another Blending with Henry Vitamix giveaway! Over 20,000 subscribers! Woohoo! Blending with Henry on YouTube has achieved over 20,000 subscribers and over 4.5 million views. Blending with Henry is still the #1 channel on YouTube for blender reviews and delicious blender recipes. Now, I want to thank you guys so much. I am proof positive that when you get kicked down, you get back up, and I am ready to give back to my loyal viewers. My previous video called My Vitamix, My Story, I told you guys about how I was discovered by the Blenditup company who whispered in Vitamix's ear about my love for Vitamix on YouTube. So I teamed up with Vitamix and Blenditup to give away an amazing package. How about a Vitamix Pro 750 wrapped around a huge Blenditup healthy package? How do you guys feel about that? Let's take a look. You guys know I love my Vitamix Pro 750. It's a true chef's machine. It's also perfect for families and for the rest of us who just want to make a great smoothie. Now I'm giving away the brushed stainless metal finish. Blenditup is throwing in an amazing package of tasty and helpful things for your Vitamix. They're grass-fed whey protein isolate. This is what I use for my post-workout shakes. For those of you that have a stricter diet, the organic 100% vegan protein will be perfect for your post-workout shakes. Now, I always thought honey was vegan, you guys, but I know better now, okay? Now, Blenditup's bee-free honey is made from sweet apples and lemons. Now, my 27-year-old nephew can't get enough of this. I mean, no, really, it's that good. Their Southwest Spice Blend. I love this. I created my Henry Tex-Mex white bean soup with it. Now it's vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO, and no MSG. And finally, Blenditup's Triton Bright Blender Container Cleaner will make your container look new again. Now I'm going to show you this in a future video. Now, after seeing all this, you probably want none of it, right? Yeah, okay. Now I'm going to explain to you guys the contest rules. To enter the Vitamix Blenditup giveaway, you have to be a USA resident. Now you must subscribe to my YouTube channel and post a comment your reasons for wanting to win this Vitamix package. Now you will need to like me on Facebook or follow me on Instagram. Now you must have a valid and genuine Facebook or Instagram account and tag 3 friends on either social media account to alert them about the Blending with Henry contest. Now, if you post on my YouTube, your username must match your Facebook or Instagram so I can find you. I'll be reading all comments. Now, the winner will be chosen at random between Facebook and Instagram. One Vitamix Blenditup package will be awarded to one winner. The contest starts March 1st, 2019 and ends on March 5th, 2019 at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The winner will be announced following the end of the contest. Good luck, you guys. This is the biggest contest I have ever done. Alright, you guys. Now, as I mentioned before, this is the biggest contest Blending with Henry has ever done. Now, I'm excited. Now, to get updates on contests, recipes, and blender reviews, please subscribe to my newsletter. Now, links to everything that was mentioned in this video will be below the video. I will see you all soon.